Hello everyone, welcome to Mayank Loholic. In this video, we will discuss the previous year's question paper of UP APU 2015. As you might be aware that we have already discussed the UP APU paper of 2020. If you have not watched this video, then please go to the description section. A link of 2020 paper will be given over there. So let us get started from question number 1. Question number 1. To whom among the following will the Lokayukta of Uttar Pradesh address his resignation letter? Options are Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Governor of Uttar Pradesh, Chief Justice of High Court, Speaker of Vidhan Sabha. Correct answer is Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Lokayukta will give his resignation to Governor of Uttar Pradesh. Now proceed to question number 2. According to the Constitution of India, which one of the following is supreme? The President, the Supreme Court, the Parliament, the Constitution. Correct answer is Constitution. Constitution of India is the supreme amongst the following. Now let us proceed to question number 3. In India, Prime Minister is elected, selected, nominated, appointed. Correct answer is option D, that is appointed. Question number 4. According to the Constitution of India, which among the following is empowered to establish new states? Options are President, Parliament, Supreme Court, Cabinet. Parliament is empowered to establish new states. Question number 5. In which year the two words socialist and secular were added to the preamble of the Indian Constitution? Year options are 1976, 1977, 1978, 1979. Correct answer is option A, that is 1976 in 42nd Amendment Act. Question number 6. The Renaissance is based on which of the following concepts? God is the center of universe, Pope is the center of universe, man is the center of universe, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is man is the center of universe. The word Renaissance is related to the world history. Question number 7. Who among the following first used the word Renaissance? Options are Michelet, Dante, Thomas Aquinas, Kant. Correct answer is option A, that is Michelet. Question number 8. Who among the following first used the word Swaraj? Options are Mahatma Gandhi, Dadabhai Naoroji, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Correct answer is option B, that is Dadabhai Naoroji. Swaraj was first used by Dadabhai Naoroji in his presidential address at Calcutta session in 1906. Dadabhai Naoroji has used the word first time Swaraj in Calcutta session of 1906. Now let us move to question number 9. The Moti Masjid in Agra was built during whose reign? Humayun, Shah Jahan, Aurangzeb, Shah Alam II. Correct answer is Shah Jahan. Moti Masjid of Agra was built during the reign of Shah Jahan. Question number 10. Who among the following was the first Indian to get selected in ICS, Indian Civil Services? Options are Satyendra Nath Tagore, Sarojini Naidu, Lala Lajpat Rai, C.R. Das. Correct answer is Satyendra Nath Tagore. Satyendra Nath Tagore was India's first ICS to get selected in the Indian Civil Services. Question number 11. Who among the following gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad? Options are Iqbal, M.K. Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose. Correct answer is Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh gave the slogan Inqilab Zindabad. Question number 12. The newspaper brought out by Bal Gangadhar Tilak to promote nationalism was? Options are Yugantar, Kesari, Deshbhakti, Kranti. Correct answer is Kesari. Kesari and Maratha, two newspapers was published by Bal Gangadhar Tilak to promote nationalism. Question number 13. The first Governor General of India was appointed in 1774, 1833, 1858, 1911. Correct answer is option A, that is 1774. The first Governor General of India was appointed. Question number 14. The word Satyagrah was given by Mahatma Gandhi, Mangal Lal Gandhi, Devdas Gandhi, Kasturba Gandhi. This is a very tricky question. Most of the people will think that Mahatma Gandhi will be the correct answer, but here the correct answer, Mangal Lal Gandhi. This term Satyagrah was originated in competition in the News Sheet of Indian Opinion. That was the newspaper in South Africa in 1906. Mr. Mangal Lal Gandhi, grandson of an uncle of Mahatma Gandhi, came up with the word. Earlier it was the word Sadgrah. Gandhi ji changed this word in Indian Opinion in his newspaper as Satyagrah. So it was firstly used by Mangal Lal Gandhi, then it was used by Mahatma Gandhi. Question number 15. Who among the following was the president of Indian National Congress on 15th August 1947? This is very important question. The correct answer is J.B. Kripalani. When in Free India, the first president of Congress was J.B. Kripalani. Question number 16. Gadar newspaper was published from France, Germany, America, England. Option is C, America. Gadar was an organization which published newspaper in San Francisco, America. Question number 17. Who among the following is not a public document? Options are arrest warrant, charge sheet, postmortem report, a registered sale deed. Not a public document, postmortem report is not a public document. Question number 18. Who among the following has recently appointed as new CVC commissioner? Options are Bhasin, KV Chaudhary, Pradeep Kumar, none of the above. Correct answer is KV Chaudhary. Question number 19. In which of the following jails Rajendra Lahiri was hanged? Options are Faizabad, Gorakhpur, Gonda, Lucknow. Correct answer is Option C, that is Gonda. Question number 20. Which one of the following is not mentioned in Rig Veda? Janpad, Jan, Gram, Kul. Correct answer is Janpad. Janpad is not mentioned in Rig Veda. Other three options, that is Jan, Kul and Gram, are mentioned in the Rig Veda. Question number 21. Who among the following added to the doctrine Brahmacharya in Jainism? Options are Parashvanath, Neminath, Mahavir, none of the above. Correct answer is Mahavir. Mahavir was the Jain guru who added the doctrine of Brahmacharya in Jainism. Question number 22. Who among the following rishis composed the Gayatri Mantra? Correct answer is Vishwamitra. Rishi Vishwamitra composed the Gayatri Mantra. Question number 23. Who among the following Indian mathematicians invented metric system? Options are Aryabhat, Pingal, Gargi, Bhaskar. Correct answer is Pingal. Pingal invented the metric system in Indian mathematics. Question number 24. In which one of the following countries the 16th World Sanskrit Conference was held? Options are Nepal, Thailand, Bhutan, Bahrain. Correct answer is Thailand. This question is asking about the 16th World Sanskrit Conference. The 18th World Sanskrit Conference will held in 2023 in January in Canberra, Australia. In 1972, Delhi, first World Sanskrit Conference was held. Last Sanskrit Conference was held in Vancouver, Canada in 2018. So next will be held in 2023. It is important to know, if this question get repeated in the exam, then you have to know that in 2018 World Sanskrit Conference was held in Canada, and in 2023 it will held in Canberra, Australia. Question number 25. Which one of the following countries has recently decided to discard its virtually worthless national currency? Options are South Africa, Kenya, Sudan, Zimbabwe. Correct answer is Zimbabwe.